iyaqala ukwenzeka ke yonke leyo.
Ore ba itse wa qala o fitla ha mo president.
Inkonzo
Bona tshebetsong ena.
yabulela ukuthi nami ngiyaqala ukwamukela ngale ndlela.
Ore la bana wa
Ifundise inkokheli zonke zalemtawe.
adumedise ba etapele kaofela ba tshebetso ena.
Ifundise inkosi yethu yalapha kule ndawo.
Adumedise le morena wa rona wa tulo ena.
Ngithanda futhi nokubonisa abo balentawe abaphuma eLesotho,
Rata ha bo dumedisa ba tshebetso ena ba hlahang Lesotho,
abaphuma eBotswana,
ba hlahang Botswana,
abaphuma eSwaziland,
ba hlahang Swatini,
abaphuma eNamibia.
and those who coming from Namibia.
Ngithanda ukubonisa futhi
He would like to greet again
uMinista wethu
our minister,
uGwede Mantashe,
Minister Gwede Mantashe.
nguye owenze ukuthi ngifike lapha.
He is the one who had made it possible for the president to be here. It's been long that he had been requesting the president to arrive at this church. However, the president never had time. But he said he must do by all means to be at Tar. He didn't say just because he is from Tar. He said it is a must for the president to be at this feast. He's been working with Minister Mantashe for 41 years and he's been going hard. Today he had arrived at his birthplace. And he's grateful that this moment had come when the church has this feast. And we'd like to thank again our Premier, Premier Oscar Diamabuyana. He is known as He had asked the Premier where does the name Delicious come from. And in many cases it is called by women. And the president is surprised how this happened. The president would also like to greet the leaders of the church and greet all the congregants. When you St. John's, so the Lord can hear their prayers. In order for our country to be healed. That is the request of the president. The last one that is going to request is that we must pray for the coming elections. That will be held on the 29th of May 2024. The elections that are going to start from the 27th, 28th for Ama vote Lawa Aketegi. The president is requesting that we pray for the entire election process so that our elections can be smoothly run. And for people to choose who is going to be the president of this country.
baphinde futhi bakhethe nalabo abazobamela eParliament, National Parliament, Provincial Parliament.
And to be able to choose the provincial representatives and the national legislature representatives.
Ukwenzela ukuthi uma besibekhethile kukhethwe upresident nabo premier kufakwe abantu abanolwazi, abantu abakwazi ukusebenza, abantu abanobubele abazosebenzela isizwe sakithi.
So that when they are elected, they can elect the premier, the premiers, and the president who are capable to work for this country.
Leyo into esicelayo kuni nonke ukuthi nisibeke emthandazweni.
That is the request of the president to all of us, that we pray for them.
Ukuthi ngomhla ka-29 yonke imisebenzi ezenza ngomhla ka-29 uma abantu bekhetha
That's
ukhetha
everything.
kakuhle.
That everything that is going to take place on the 29th, the elections can go peacefully.
Ukuthi uma usikhethe uhulumeni akwazi ukuthatha eSouth Africa ayise phambili.
So that we can elect the government that is going to take South Africa forward.
Kube noxolo apha eSouth
So there
Africa.
can be peace,
Kube ne-progress apha eSouth Africa.
the kubekela phambili lapha eSouth Africa,
Kube nemisebenzi apha eSouth Africa.
and employment here in South Africa.
Abantwana bethu bafumane imfundo enhle.
So that the young people can get a proper education.
Nezempilo ze-health zikwazi ukuthi zihambe kakuhle.
And proper healthcare system.
Nayo yonke into esiyenza apha eSouth Africa nama-grant no-pension yonke into iqhubeke ngendlela efanele.
And everything that they are doing here in South Africa, the social grants continue in a proper manner.